Now we are going to install Kali Linux in my MacBook virtual machine. I have downloaded VMware Fusion and I am going to install it in VMware Fusion itself. If I want to download it, I have to click on the download button. I have to go to the installer image, not the virtual machines, because we cannot download it directly or install it in the virtual machine. So we have to install the installer. So if I click on the Apple Silicon ARM64, I can see the installer image and I can download it directly for my VMware Fusion of Mac M1. So I am downloading it, and once the download is completed, I can just go ahead and install it. We can see here that it is downloaded in this folder. Now what we are going to do is we are going to run VMware Fusion. We are going to say add new. We are going to drag and drop this ISO file. So what we are expecting is we are going to drag it here, and once it is being dragged, it will be installed. So now we have to press continue. I am going to select Debian 12 plus and then continue and finish. Here I am going to rename the machine as Kali and save it. Once the machine is started, I have to press install, English, United States, American English. Now it will start loading all the additional components, and we have already successfully started the installation. We will have to wait for a minute so that it will install all the necessary files and configuration files. It is setting up the network with DHCP. And yes, we have got the host name. We have to click on continue. Domain name, just continue. Full name Kali, I am writing right now. Username Kali. Password also I am keeping Kali only, and password Kali again. Central, for me it was central, so I have kept it. And the partitioner has been started. Now we have to click on guided medium, click on next, all files one partition, finish, say yes, and we are good to go. Now it will be installing the system. Once the system installs, we will be going ahead. Okay, you will also get a pop-up of software selection. Just continue, press tab and continue. Now the installation is being finished. We just have to say continue, and it is configuring. And now we can see that Kali Linux is successfully on. We will have this grub loader page, and then once the blue screen is gone, we can see the username and password page. In this, I just have to type the username and password as Kali and press enter. I will be able to log in into the Kali. First things first, I would like to change the desktop, so I'm keeping it plain black Kali. So we have successfully installed Kali Linux in our VMware Fusion, that is in the MacBook M1.